Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I've got some more constitutional silver that I picked up. As you can see here, a very nice assortment and a really great deal. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so here we go. This is what I picked up. A couple rolls of halves, a couple rolls of quarters, and a roll of dimes. So I don't know what's in each one of them. This is how he handed it to me. This is how I picked it up. So I don't open them up and I don't go through them. I just grab them, give them some money, and I go. And I look at them later, just like we are right now. So got the halves, quarters, dimes. Let's go ahead and put the quarters and dimes over here, kind of out of the way for a minute. And let's see what kind of halves we have here. As we know, there's three different kinds. It could be Kennedys, Walkers, or Franklins. So let's see what he's got in this pile. Make sure it's empty. So it looks like, oh, we got some nice Kennedys here. Let me set them down. Kennedys and Walkers. All right, so that's cool. Let's see, we have 3, 5, 8, 9 Kennedys. And we have 5, 8, 11 Walkers, and those got a little bit of wear on them, but that's pretty normal if you're not going to pay a ton of money for them. But I'm happy with those. Those are okay. And let's take a look. So that's $10 face, as we know, which is 7.15 ounces of silver. Troy ounces of silver. Somebody asked me the other day when I say ounces, do I mean regular ounces or Troy ounces? And I mean Troy ounces when I talk about, whenever I quote silver in relationship to constitutional silver. Looks like we got some Franklins in here. Let's take a look. Make sure it's empty. Yep, sure enough. Oh, listen to that sound. So we got some Franklins. It looks like they're all Franklins. So let me start a pile over here. There's 4 of them. There's 8 of them. There's 10. That's a pretty nice looking 56. There's 14. There's 17. And there's 20. 3 more. Let's put the bell on top for the other side. And let's move these down over here so we can clear out some room for this other beautiful coinage. We'll put these here. I'll flip this one over. Get a little bit better. This one's got some nice toning on it. Let's see, can we see it in the camera? Alright, so $20 face right here. So let's take a look at the quarters now. Get this open here. Take a look at this beautiful silver. Let's make sure my wrap is empty. It is. Look at all those quarters. So this is $10 worth of quarters. And as most of you know, $10 of quarters is 40 of them. So we've got 40 beautiful silver quarters here. Just love the way these things sound. So yeah, we got 40 quarters there. And we've got another 40 quarters here. So let's take a look. You know, he's gone and given me nice plastic containers for these coins, the paper and plastic bags, but I told him I'd take them out and put them in the Numis tubes, and you know, he didn't have to spend the money on, you know, decent holders for me, because I was just going to change them out anyway. So there's our edges. We're going to slap them down. Got some more quarters. So you can see most of these are in pretty good shape. Hardly any slicks from this guy. I really like that about him. He gives me good quality stuff. So stuff I'm very happy with. That looks good. It's not to say it's not going to have some toning on it, because it is. And it should. I mean, real silver tones. Real silver gets tarnished. Alright. So that's another $20. So $20, $40. And here's $5 in face. This is all Roosevelt dimes, I believe. Let's take a look inside. You know, the other day, I had a roll just like this, dumped it out, a little bit later started counting it and putting it away, and I was a dime short. went to the trash can and found that I had a dime stuck in there, so I need to be careful. I need to make sure all the money's out of there before I go throwing stuff away. Alright, so we have some Roosevelt dimes, which are almost always in pretty good shape. So yeah, there you go, huh? $45 in face value. So let me tell you what I paid for it. Well, I'll tell you at least what I paid per ounce under spot. So for this batch, I picked this up for, turn it over here a little bit like that. For this batch, I picked it up for $2.52 below spot per ounce, per troy ounce. That's right, $2.52. So just another fantastic deal, and that's pretty good savings. So let's calculate how much silver is in here. So for those of you who don't know, you can see my camera rod reflecting off there, but if we take 45, which is, let me turn it on. If we take 45, which is a $45 face, so we take 45 and we multiply it by 0.715. That's a calculation you use for the wear in the coins. That works out to 32.18 ounces of silver. So all this has 32.18 troy ounces of silver. So that's pretty awesome. That's a pretty nice addition to the stack. So let's take that and multiply it by 2.52, $81.08. That's how much money I saved, how much fiat I saved if I would have paid spot for it. So if I would have paid spot, just spot price alone, I would have paid another $81. As you know from the local bullion dealers or the online bullion dealers as well, you're not usually going to pay spot for it. You're going to pay some amount above spot, usually 50 cents to $1. Half dollars are usually $1 to $1.50 above spot. But all this together was $2.52 below spot. So pretty cool, huh? I'm pretty happy about that. So there you have it. That's what I picked up for this week. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. So why don't you go ahead and watch these videos that just popped up on your screen. I've got some great content, and I'm sure if you click on it, you'll really enjoy it. Got some really cool stuff out there. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.